Hi guys, what's up, wagwan? So guys, I found this piece of like what you call it, solitex or thin ply. I took it off of old furniture they have at the dumpster, and this is it. This is the other side. That's the frame. All right, can you see it? It's really tall, it's big, huge frame. I'm gonna use this chisel with my hammer and I'm gonna chisel it out. All right guys, so this is me. I hope it works. There. Woo, it did. So here is the little space that left, and I'm just gonna tack this in as well. All right, with the back, it was a long piece of plywood and I did it the same route. I chiseled it out and I got two pieces and I measure it just the same. All right, now because this part is so flimsy, I have to add some support to the back. All right, so I add those and I tack them on. All right guys, so I have this spray and I'm going to use it to spray it. And then when I spray it, I'm going to spray it like a little bit further because the mirror is going to be on the inside. I have some Mod Podge, the glossy one, and I have some glitter from I think the dollar store or the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some glitter. Not too much now guys. Just like that. So I add some glitter to the patterns. I have these beautiful diamond shaped rhinestone. I got them from AliExpress, and I have some of the regular ones, and I got these from the dollar store and some from the Dollar Tree. And these are some diamonds, gems, and I'm gonna put them right here along the sides. I have some mirrors. I'm gonna use 10 of them in total, and I have some silicone. I'm gonna add some of that, and if it can't finish all of it, I have some Gorilla Glue, and then the clear one I'm gonna use to add these at the sides. I'm gonna make 2 lines of these mirror right in the center. So something like this, and then I'm gonna put this one close. And now guys, I'm gonna use my Gorilla Glue and my silicone to glue these mirror down, and I'm gonna let it sit for a few hours. Well, I went ahead with my silicone, I put it on the corners, and then I add my Gorilla Glue like all over it, some. And I'm just gonna set it back in the space just like that guys. So I glue all of that down and I'm gonna leave them to dry. I found my old bench and a little piece of stuff. Now the next step to my grand mirror, to this side that I paint, both sides guys. Now I'm gonna add these on it. I got them from the Dollar Tree and the Dollar Store. All right, and I'm gonna line the entire sides, both sides. For this part guys, you want to sit down and grab a chair. All right, so I'm going to go in with my clear Gorilla Glue, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my gems and I'm just going to add them just like that, some all over. It's going to take about 4. It's coming along so beautifully, and it's almost done. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do with it, guys, I have these little piece of gems, or half a mesh. I'm all done. I just have to clean it up. But there's one more little glam I want to put on the edge. I have some of these rhinestone stickers, and right here, guys, where the bling is, I think I want to put one like right here and one right here. I'm super excited, guys. Yes, yes, I so love it. And look at the details on it, guys. And look right here, guys, look at the details on it. It's so blingy and pretty. Yes, I love it. And guys, this is the final result. My super grandioso big floor length or full length mirror. I am super excited. Wow, it's kind of a little bit chilly, guys. It's in the morning now. You can hear the birds chirping, and this is beautiful, guys. This is it. You can put it on the floor, you can hang it sideways, long ways, whatever way you want. All right, guys, and this is it. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Bye, guys. Super excited. Shake it, shake it. I'm dancing, guys. Do the one step, do the two step. Bye, guys. I'm super excited. Have a good day. Yay.